Hello friends, welcome back to the channel SK Codify, and in this video we are going to talk about the apply function. See, the call function that we discussed in the last video and the apply function, these are all JavaScript inbuilt function. Okay, so the apply function also does the same thing that call function does. Okay, if you have not seen my previous video, I would say you can go and see there, so you would understand how what is the purpose that solve what is the how the call function works. So let me reiterate it here. uh, the call function or apply function used to uh, call the function which is not available in the current object, okay, which is available in the other object. Okay, and how we can call that? We can call that by this, uh, the class name, I mean the object name, not the class name. Okay, remember that, not the class name. Object name dot the method name and dot the call or apply. The difference between call and apply is that call takes the argument, this argument or the parameter into separate. Okay, but the apply function take it as array. Call function take it as a separate argument, but the apply function take it as in array. Okay, let me see this. So the apply function is very similar to the call function, and that's the simple difference is all about. Okay, so I think this is all about the apply function and the call function. Thank you, take care. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe it. Thank you, take care.